In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Epsom salt coconut scrub. If you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. I am using 1 cup of the Dr.Teal's Epsom salt, and this is infused with coconut oil. You could buy any brand that you like, but I'm using the one infused with coconut oil. And this is going to remove any dry patches, any dead skin you may have, and it gives you a healthier looking, radiant complexion. Next, I'm going to add in my Trader Joe's organic virgin coconut oil. And coconut oil is naturally antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-aging. And it helps with skin disorders such as acne, psoriasis, eczema, and dermatitis. It's a great moisturizer and also helps with stretch marks. I'm adding in 1/4 cup. My coconut oil was already in a liquid state, but if yours is in a solid form, you could just stick it in the microwave for a few seconds and it will melt. Next, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil contains vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, and zinc, and it's a great skin softener. It can work well as a skin lightener and can treat sunburns, skin discoloration, scars, and blemishes. It's great for sensitive skin, and it easily penetrates deep into the skin, getting rid of dirt accumulated in the pores and hair follicles. Next, I'm going to be using my lemon essential oil, and this is antifungal, antiseptic, and it's a natural detoxifier, and it has great brightening effects. I'm using about 8 or 9 drops. Next, I'm taking a spoon and I'm mixing all the ingredients together until it's blended well. All done. Next, I'm using this very inexpensive jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm putting all the scrub I just made into the jar. I just made enough for 1 use, but you can always add more, double the products, whatever. And that's it. Thanks for watching.